The confetti's flying as Okatie Elementary celebrates the class of 2025. The school is proudly welcoming back its former students, now high school seniors, for a graduation walk through the halls where their educational journey began.
The school seems so small. It's so much smaller than what I remember, and it was so great seeing my old teachers.
When I used to go here, I thought this place was so big, but now coming back in here, it's so small. And to see my old teachers made me tear up a little bit, and the little kids, this is like something that they look forward to, and we're kind of people like they look up to, so it's really fun.
The younger students line the hallways, cheering and high-fiving the seniors as they pass by.
I think it gives them something to look forward to in the future. I definitely look forward to it when it happened each year, so I think it's something fun for them.
I heard a bunch of them talking in the hallway like, oh, like we want to go to college, like have so much fun, and so it's really cute to like see them get excited about big life moments like this.
The school also displayed old class photos, giving the seniors a chance to reminisce about their earlier days. Okatie Elementary is proud to celebrate these students and send them off with best wishes for a bright and successful future.
We are so excited to welcome you into the nest. It's wonderful to see them come back and visit their old teachers and see the building, and for our students here at Okatie to celebrate their futures, and they'll be able to come back and visit as well.
About 25 seniors took part in the graduation walk at Okatie Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.